Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell and to check out the join membership option.
Alright guys, so welcome to this mini tutorial today, and so this is going to be a very quick video. I just want to show you guys how you can focus your camera on some kind of scene or on some kind of point in your game. Okay, so let's say that you want the camera to be focused on this thing right here. So let me just quickly try to create some kind of scene. So let's say you want your camera to be focused this way, okay, when your player enters. So let's just pretend that right here we have some kind of very gorgeous scene you want the player to show, okay? Then first of all, choose the spot you want the camera to focus on, which is this one in this case, okay? Then create a part. Let's call this cam part, just to keep it apart from the rest. And then like position it correctly, so position it at the position you want to. So let's say that you want to face the scene from this position. Okay, let's say from this one. Then you would need to move this part to the spot right here, so kind of here, and then a little bit more up. And then of course we don't want the camera to be straight looking like look like this. We want it to look a bit more down, so a bit more like this. Therefore we will need to rotate the camera, so let's rotate it this way. And yeah, so that could be a point to which we want the camera to focus on, okay? So once you have created the camera part, have it positioned correctly, just anchor it, make sure it can collide as false, and the transparency is set to 1, or you can also keep it non-transparent, so it's actually up to you. And yes, so that's it with the camera part. Now the next thing we want to do is go to local script, or I mean create a local script instead of your starter GUI, so go to starter GUI. Then let's call this cam part, and now it actually depends on what you want to do. So I think that I'm just going to be showing you how you can manipulate the camera that way, that it focuses on this scene right here. You can also change it to that way that you actually need to press a button in order to stop the camera to focus on that scene. So there are many ways to work with that, and in this video I'm just going to be showing you how you can focus it on the scene, as I've just already said. And for that we will need to define a variable. So we are creating a variable called cam right here, which refers to our current camera, which is located in workspace. So workspace and current camera. So that's the way on how you refer to the camera. And then the next thing is we want to change the camera type first of all, and then the camera C-frame, so the position of the camera, to say it in an easy way for you guys. So let's move on with the first thing. So camera type, let's change that to scriptable. So this is pretty important. When the camera type is set to scriptable, the player is not able to move it. So let me quickly show it to you guys. So I've set it to scriptable. As you can see, I'm not able to hold my right mouse button and to rotate around, guys. So let's change it back to fixed. Okay, so fixed is the default camera type. Okay, so we set it to scriptable. Now the next thing we want to do is we want to change the camera C-frame right here to, now we gotta refer to our camera part we have just created. So workspace, cam part, C-frame. And this is actually it, guys. So in many cases this is actually it. So let's just see. This has worked, and okay, so this has not worked for whatever reason. Okay. I think that there's another thing we gotta do. So let's copy this part right here, so this big part, and shrink it down. So we gotta create a new camera subject. So make it like somewhere in the center of the point you want to focus, or of the scene you want to focus. Then make it transparent, make it anchored, make it can collide faults, so what you desire, and then cam subject. And as you can see, the camera subject is currently set to nil, because it usually is set to the player's humanoid, but in this testing, or in this creation, in its creation state right here, we have no character, therefore the subject is set to nil. So we want to set the subject, camera subject, we want to set it to the part right here. So we want this to be the subject of our camera, okay? So we gotta do the same as we did down here. So we need to refer to the cam subject up here. And now hopefully this will work, guys. And as you can see, it works. Okay, so there's still one thing I would like to tell you guys. So it sometimes happened to me that, so do not replicate this, so or do not follow my step right now. So this is just for demonstrational purposes. So it happened to me that the camera was facing the wrong way, guys. And if that's the case, so as right here, so it actually is the opposite. It is facing in the opposite way as I would like it to face. And what you need to do is, as I've just did, so just rotate this thing so it faces the correct way, guys. Alright, so that's it with this video, guys. So if you have enjoyed it, then please subscribe, turn on the notification bell, like this video, share it to all of your friends, and give me feedback in the comment section, guys. So comment anything. Don't forget to check out the description to join the Discord server of my One Piece game I'm creating, apart from that One Piece game series I'm doing on YouTube, guys. So take care, guys, and see you in the next video.